welcome to today's vlog. We are heading to Blizzard Beach this morning. It is about to be 11:15. So we had breakfast at the Drury, which is where we're staying for the weekend before our cruise.
Keep left, then keep left.
And we finished up at breakfast. We went back to our room, grabbed some stuff, and we're heading to Blizzard Beach. So we are driving for the first time really on Disney property. We've gotten to see a couple of the resorts. Oh my gosh, there's Magic Kingdom! Yeah! You guys will see it right out the window right now.
Yeah!
Do you see it?
Magic Kingdom, yeah, I see it.
Wow! Look at those gates. Can you see it, Mama?
Yeah!
That's beautiful.
Wow! Let's go there.
We're gonna be there after the cruise, but
Yeah, we'll be there. We actually will be there 2 times during our trip. So we're gonna go to Magic Kingdom twice. We're gonna do an after hours event, which is like a nighttime event. And then we'll go there for a full day, another day too. So let's get ready for a great day at Blizzard Beach and then probably hang out at the resort. Yes.
Blizzard Beach!
We're here.
fun in the sun.
Blizzard Beach.
Free parking.
Guys, look at
Who knows? We will find out.
over here. I'm gonna add a little bit of touches to my lamp.
Oh, that's right. There's a golf course too.
No, I bet. Look, it's a monster.
It was made from the snowstorm.
Oh,
Isn't that amazing?
yeah, that's cool.
That is cool. This is Blizzard Beach.
No, is that a blizzard?
No, that's a lizard. A blizzard is a snowstorm.
Why is it called a blizzard?
One thing that I would recommend is to make sure you grab towels right after you get inside of Blizzard Beach. There should be someone standing next to like a little rack of towels, not little, it's a big rack of towels, and you can go ahead and tell them which hotel you're staying at and grab some towels for your family. We forgot to do that and we had to come all the way back, so just remember to do that. What's in here? What do you see? Wow, that's cool. I think it's for coins. Oops. I think it's to hold coins.
Oh, yes, it is. I think.
No, don't walk out with it. Careful.
Come on, let's go back to the city.
Okay.
I'm gonna put coins in the wood.
Look, they're melting, see? Do you see the water coming off of them? Because they're melting?
I think it's a statue, so they just put water on it.
Yeah. Oh. You want to take a picture?
Yeah.
Okay. You guys can go up there. Okay, guys, look at mommy. Hello, ma'am. Careful. Button. All right, you guys ready?
Come on, mamas.
We spent a ton of time during our day over here at Tikes Peak. It was so cute. Just the theme is so good. It's all frozen themed, so there's frozen friends here and little snowbees in the water and Olaf, and just really fun. Lots of great things to do for the little ones. Ella, who is 4, she loved this area. She stayed here all day, and Elias actually ventured out with my husband to do some slides and things like that, so they had a lot of fun exploring the different areas of the park. But Ella and I were content to stay here. I found a chair and I was sitting and reading, and then I would get in the water with her for a little bit and go back and forth. So highly recommend this area. It's perfect for little ones. Maya, stand up, please. Yeah, I'm done. Come on, bud. Woo! Come on, Sissy. Woohoo! Oh, wow! Again? All right, let's go. All right, you gotta go back up. It's like taking a shower. Are you guys gonna go around and go back up? Okay.
These are necklaces, these are wrists.
Wow, those are pins. How cute. Ooh, maybe we should get a Blizzard Beach one. Look at the Olaf one. How cute. Princess ones? So cute. You need one for your backpack?
This tiara, and I also want. Which one?
This is Ariel. Did you know that?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Because of the sea cell, but I'm looking for another one because I already got.
Okay, well, look. Look what's over here.
It's pineapple.
A Marie pin.
What's a Marie pen?
Marie, that's her name, but you call her Pineapple. She's so cute. Sally.
Really?
Look at these, Sissy.
Oh, they're so cute.
Look at the little Olaf. He is adorable.
Look at arms.
His little arms are precious. He can give you a big hug. Oh. That's so sweet.
Sesames for my backpack, I guess.
For your backpack?
Well, this is how you make them light on your paper.
How? Yeah.
Okay, let's keep looking for the eye.
Look at Pluto with his little ears. That's cute. Oh, this cover up is so cute. How you doing? Good. We grabbed some fries and towels because we forgot to grab them on the way in.
Hey.
Yeah. It does it for us. We're getting the
Before you used
coins.
to have to do it.
Yep.
But we're supposed to get
It's all
these
three.
coins.
It's
Why
hot?
are they hot?
They're hot because they just pressed it.
Yeah.
Do you want mommy or daddy to grab it?
Yeah. Can I try to grab it?
You can hold them, bud.
What the hell, Mama?
Yeah.
Oh, it's warm.
So we
It's
got
just warm.
some Blizzard Beach coins. You guys got your first souvenir.
Can I have the snowman?
You guys, you're gonna share those,
Yeah,
okay?
It's to share, not just for one. Hold on to them, okay? When you're done,
Okay.
put it inside your little pocket.
Is it only one?
Or give it to me or Mommy.
Actually, Mama, don't put them in your pocket, baby. Just hold on to them, okay? When you're done, give it to Mommy or Daddy.
It's not worth nothing, but it's just
My
a
pocket.
souvenir.
All right, let's go this way.
Mama.
Say, see you later, Blizzard Beach. Ski you later. Thank you, bye. Ski you later. Was that funny?
I said that too.
Let's go look. I don't think we realized this when we got here, but we parked kind of far. It was very full. I noticed around like 1:30 that it started to get really full in the little kids area. Tikes Peak. All right, guys, we grabbed some. We grabbed some mini donuts. I've heard these are like the snack to get at Blizzard Beach. So we were heading back, but we did get raspberry sauce to go with them. And then I also got the Happy Snowman, which is like lemonade and blue raspberry. It's delicious. So good. What did you guys think of Blizzard Beach?
Oh, wait, that was great.
You liked it?
2 thumbs up.
2 thumbs up.
Give me a high 10.
Never mind. One thing I'm trying to do for this trip is to get a pen or a mug for each of the places we go. So probably for like resorts or like special parks like Blizzard Beach, I'll get a pin. So here's my pin from Blizzard Beach. How cute is Olaf? Happy Snowman in summer. Like they had other ones, like they had one that had Minnie and Mickey on it. But I just love this one. It's so perfect, I think, for Blizzard Beach with the frozen area. So we spent so much of our day there, and Olaf is just so cute and happy. I love that it's a snow globe too. So super fun. This is our first souvenir that we purchased, and then the kids did pressed pennies. So theirs are very cute. I showed those already, but they're way down in my bag somewhere. The kids are having fun with some sticker sheets in the bag, and we're running to Target because I forgot a couple things like Elias's sleepy hat for bedtime, and I did want to get another skirt, like an athletic skirt, because the ones I had I wore yesterday to Disney Springs, and the shorts rode up really bad, and I realized that I didn't test them before packing, which is very out of the ordinary for me. I think I tried them on and then walked around the house a little bit, but I should have gone on like extended walks with them to see how they really held up. So I just went ahead and got a black and a pink skirt from Target. So we're picking that up and a couple other things. There's a McDonald's right here, so maybe we'll get the kids some food. It's 3:30 right now. Our kickback at the Drury starts at 5:30, so we're definitely gonna eat there. But I know before we left, Elias did mention he wanted more French fries, which we weren't gonna buy another French fry just to come get in the car. So we had snacks. So he's been having some snacks back there. We might grab them a little something. I still want ice cream. I don't know. I should just wait until tomorrow because then I'll have unlimited ice cream for 5 days. For free. Prepaid. So yeah, but very fun. I really adored Blizzard Beach. And I understand why we don't have one in Disneyland or in Anaheim, but I would love if we had a water park option there. It would be really great because we love water parks. Like, we really enjoy them. It's like just a thing that we like to do as a family. So our other option, there is a Great Wolf Lodge really close to there. I know some people will stay at that Great Wolf and then just drive to Disneyland, which is close, but yeah, it's not the same. And I think too with like the food and snacks and like there's merch and like just all the things that Disney does. It's so fun. So it'd be really cool if we could have one there, but we don't so far. You never know what the future holds, but that's what we're doing. Just running to Target, and then we're gonna have just a relaxing evening, afternoon at the hotel.